Hi, welcome to Guitar Center Lessons. I'm Colin Rooney. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to play Love, Love, Love by Avalanche City. All you're going to need is a capo on the 5th fret. So, this is a super easy song, and one of my favorite songs. It's not as popular, but I really wanted to do it because if you just listen to it, it's so enjoyable and it just puts you in a happy mood automatically. So, what you're going to do is a C chord. First, right? Then you have an A minor, F, C. Those are your only chords, and plus a G. So you're going to say, play the C for 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Girl, I say, A minor, if only life could lead our way. For you and me, we'd run away to be wherever our future waits. So yeah, you just repeat that, and then for the whole verse, you know, and then you're gonna do for the chorus A minor. Heard your heart say love, love, G, love. Heard your heart say love, love, love. Heard your heart say love, 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 love. So let's play through the verse one time and then the chorus one time. Pause the video if you want to practice those chords, like the transitioning, like C to the A minor or the F to the C. Anyone's fine with me. So, let's start. 3, 2, 1. Girl, I say, if only life could lead our way. So, that is all the whole song. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and comment down below what you want me to teach, because I will not deny any requests. So, I love playing all different kinds of songs, so feel free to ask whatever, and I'll play it for you. So, thank you. Please leave a like and a comment down below.